In this video, I'm going to show you how we onboarded a new client, and within 7 days, he was already generating real leads and had a client acquisition system that was working for him. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how we do that and why most agencies fail because they don't have these systems in play. What's going on, everyone? My name is Damien. I am the co-founder of Adding Ally alongside with my partner, Josh. We work with service-based businesses, and our entire focus is simple: build systems that create predictable growth extremely fast. And I just want to say one thing before we get into the nitty-gritty. Most businesses don't necessarily have a lead problem. They have a system problem. And what I mean by that is leads come in, responses are slow, information is messy, follow-ups aren't even in there, and everything feels more reactive than anything. So our goal week one isn't to scale to $10,000 in ad spend. It's to take control of these systems. So therefore everything is organized and everything really feels intentional rather than reactive. So what I did here was create a framework that shows you the bullet points and how we execute things very simply. Now, this is the cookie cutter way that we do it. I'm going to show you the systems and how we implement everything, but this is typically the outline of how we follow and structure everything. So we're optimizing for a actual system that works. So for step one, every time we onboard a client, we obviously find out what problems they're having and what bottlenecks are stopping them from growth. But as soon as we find that, we take immediate action. Our campaigns are launched within 24 to 48 hours within onboarding the new client. We're not waiting like weeks to collect data or waiting for information from them. We have SOPs in place, so therefore the business owner can fill out everything we need so we can start running these ads as quickly as possible. Our goal is to completely change the business within the first week, so there's no gray lines saying this marketing agency didn't do anything for me for the first week or for the first 2 weeks. We have real data, real KPIs showing you every single week what we're doing and how we're affecting your business in the right way. Every move is planned in advance, so we're not reacting anymore. We're taking control of our system. So here's an example of a campaign we did last week for 7 days. We onboarded this client on the 20th of January and went to the 27th of this week. And within 7 days, he was able to get 19 leads at $10 CPL. Now, the way we were able to do that was with intentional messaging and ads that actually were good. I'm going to show you the breakdown of what some of these ads look like. We found this video online. We repurposed the content for what this business owner needed. He was a chandelier installer, so this made sense. And as you can see, this video was able to generate 11 leads at $12 CPL, which is great. This was in the first 7 days of onboarding him. And obviously we had a couple of image ads that were super easy. Nothing like extraordinary here. There isn't a bunch of text on these images crowding what the service that they are offering is. You start to realize that a lot of ads that you see have a lot of unnecessary text, and sometimes you can't even see what the service is. That is something we do a little different. We strive for simplicity, but effectiveness. As you can see, the data speaks for itself. 19 leads in 7 days of launching this person. And for our next bullet point, the whole reason why we're able to do this effectively, we build a tailored CRM infrastructure for every single business we deal with. There is no cookie cutter copy and paste here. It is exceptional for what you are doing. You get custom pipelines, custom taggings, custom referral processes. You get different automations that tailor to your business. Everything is fully optimized for what you have to offer because no business is the same, even if you are in the same industry, right? The way we do this is we organize everything very cleanly. So every lead is tracked. Obviously, every lead that goes cold will get automated outreach. So you're not having to do that manually and you forget, like maybe someone hit you up 90 days ago and you forget who that is. No, we have a system that does that for you. Follow-ups are seamless. People are getting their questions answered super easily. And last, we're eliminating missed opportunities. That is the whole goal here. A lot of companies aren't organized and therefore they lose 20 to 30% top line just because of missed opportunities. And the way we do that is on Go High Level. We use Go High Level to white label subdomain accounts, and we build a CRM that is tailored to each company's needs. So the way it works is a new lead comes in, they are intaked here, and as soon as they are outreached to, the pipeline continues to move them forward right here. And once a call is booked, we have automations that fire us and they send out information or they send out what the person might need before the quote, or etc. We have a bunch of pipelines that will allow these people to do it. And I can't leak too much information here. I'll briefly show you what our automations are. This is a simple automation when a new lead is intaked. They submit the intake form and they get a simple SMS like, hey, we got your form submission. Would you prefer a phone estimate? And then the quote. And then once they decide what to do, this is just the start of what they are going to get. The deeper they go into the pipeline, the more we nurture the client. Some funnels are more complicated the further they get. So here's one for instance. I can't share too much information because I don't want to give away everything, but here is a simple way of putting it. As I mentioned, they will continue to get moved down the pipeline, and therefore they will get new automations that will incentivize them to book. Even if they don't book, we will nurture them and give them more information, so over the course of time they will eventually book with you. And for step number 3, the way we get better leads is not just by making more ads and just throwing up slop. The forms that we make are engineered to qualify the leads as best as possible. We get higher quality conversions this way because the leads we are getting are more qualified. And the way we do this is with intent questioning. Now you can kind of use your imagination here. Rather than just putting up an instant form and asking simple service questions, you can go deeper in this. You can look this up online. I don't want to give away our information personally on how we do this because this industry is very competitive. So I'll leave this with you guys. That is already more than enough than you guys need to go out and search and find what this really is. So within 7 days, this client wasn't just generating leads or getting results. He had a real system that was able to scale and use for a lifetime. So we completely changed the way he looks at business, not in a reactive sense, but more in a controlling way. Leads coming in, follow-up is handled, data is organized, so everything is right in front of you. The data can be tracked, your pipelines can be moved, everything is just simple. That's the difference between a stressful marketing agency that doesn't really know what they're talking about and an agency that can actually scale to where you want to go. If you're a service-based business and you feel like growth has been chaotic and unscalable, unpredictable even, this is exactly what we fix. This is how we fast track momentum and build certainty within your business so you're not so stressed out. And most business owners we talk to are happy to delegate this task. It's just trusting someone that can actually deliver. And if you want to see more breakdowns or maybe even testimonials of other clients we have helped, feel free to click our YouTube channel and watch all the videos that we have to show. We're documenting everything real time and we're actively seeking to help more business owners. If this applies to your business and you guys want consultation or even to book a call with us, feel free to reach out to us.